DJ Rocket.
So I ordered Uber Eats, Starbucks. I wanted a matcha latte, and I wanted to try it hot this time. I always get it cold. So shout out to them because I was so nervous about getting a drink, and this was like, I'll insert the picture, but it was closed up real nicely. Then they got the little drink holder in there so it's not flopping around and stuff. Little protector. I am so appreciative of this. This was like stuck down. It feel like it's about that full, but... and it's a venti. Actually, let's see. I mean, you know. Okay. Lots of foam. And let me see, actually, because I just washed my hands, so. I'm just curious, because what the fuck? Yeah, shout out to them for that, because especially when I seen the driver, I was like, I don't know. I don't even want the drink now. And it came like this, and I was like, ooh, okay. But yeah, I got my matcha latte. I forgot to order the vanilla pump, so I'm going to go put that in there. Shake it up a little bit. Yeah, so far that's all I'm doing right now. I'm about to start my homework, and I may or may not be on camera. I do not feel good. Okay, guys, I'm having difficulties with like the lighting. It's doing some weird exposure thing, and I'm guessing that it's because my phone just died. It's only on like 12%. Anyway, I'm sorry. I meant to flip the camera over so that it won't be mirrored, so you can actually read what it says. Whenever I have something on here. Anyway, we had these before, and I ordered them again because they were so good. I'm trying to hurry up and do this so I can go to therapy. I probably won't have much time to go to the gym. Because therapy's at 1. It's 12 o'clock. I gotta get the kids at like 2:30. Therapy will be over at like 2 o'clock. The gym is like right across the street, but I just don't know if I can get in and get out because I get in there and get the being extra. So we will see. I should have went to the gym now and then went to therapy, but I was editing, trying to stay on track with that. Oh, it's so cute. And also they sent me 2 separate boxes. Well, okay, I guess fuck that. Anyway, they sent me 2 separate boxes, y'all. So I'll let the kids open the other one. That's the only reason why I'm opening it now. Okay, ready? Ooh, wow. These are the same ones that we had the first time. Now I feel weird because I feel like I should have washed my hands. Like, I washed my hands before I opened the box, but the box probably has, you know. Anyway, this is it. I'm gonna have 2 of them, and then I'm gonna leave. So here are the strawberries, and they gave me 9 in this box. I don't know how many are in the other box. I don't even know the total that I ordered. But yes, baby, I'm about to eat 2 of these, and I'm about to go to therapy, and hopefully I have time to go to the gym. These are so good, y'all.
In the crib, mom, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. The kids try to get at you, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot, park it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. Got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I roll up that sweet cause I got it going on. I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bow. That's whiter than what's spilling down your throat. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs, the interior like suicide wrist red. I can exercise you, this could be your phys ed. Cheat on your man, man, that's how you get a his ad. Killer with the weed, I know killers in the street, but they still to make you feel like you chillin' in the heat. So don't tryna run up on my ear, talking all that raspy shit, tryna ask me shit. When my niggas figure vest, they ain't gon' pass me shit. You should think about it, take a second. Matter of fact, crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean.
Guys, we just came back from picking the kids up from school and running a bunch of other errands. They gave me the wrong size cups. I'm kind of irritated. Anyhow, this is the sugar cookie iced almond latte. Theirs, of course, is decaf. So yeah, we're gonna be trying them. They're gonna be trying them. And I'm just gonna divide the ice up. Voila. Okay, I'm about to do this little segment on my chicken chili. So I really ordered turkey, ground turkey from Amazon, and they bought me chicken. I never used chicken. I just haven't been ready to use it, like to try it yet. So this is going to be my first time cooking with it, and I really wanted some chili, so I got to make it do what it do. So I'm just going to like season it and everything the same way. I want to make sure I kind of cut it down because, well, it's super soft. Because I don't want no big clumps of meat in my chili. So I know when I cook with turkey, it sticks to the pan, and I hate that. So I usually add oil. But I don't know if the chicken is like that. But I know it can't hurt nothing. So I'm going to add some avocado oil because I don't got time. Like, I'm trying to make a real quick meal and get on about my night. Still got a final to do. And I got some business stuff that I just figured out. Just figured it out, and super excited to get this done. I'm going to make 2 of these because I want this to last for a few days. At least 3 days. And yeah, haven't been cooking lately, and I don't want to, so I'm making something that we can eat as leftovers. I just have to remember not to make it so spicy, which is hard to do. I'm gonna cut this pack up also. So the other pack was fully thawed out. This one's a little frozen in the middle, just there. All right. I'm not tripping on that because I like sear, but I will turn it down. People always compliment me on my cooking. This is what I be doing. I really just be doing the damn thing. Getting it done. If I didn't turn it down then, I would turn it down now so that I can go ahead and season, because I like to season my meat when it's in the pot.
coffee.
Teacher, you say it.
Coffee. The ice sugar.
No, we have to say.
The ice sugar cookie almond milk decaf latte.
Where's the straw?
I don't see sprinkles.
There is some sprinkles.
The aftertaste is bad.
The aftertaste is good, and I like this flavor.
The aftertaste is bad, but when you first drink it, it's good.
So does it need something?
Yeah.
Yes.
You want vanilla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So generally I drink it with a straw, but I don't feel like getting my straw ready. I would probably get one more shot of flavoring if I was to order this again. It don't taste like sugar cookie.
Yes, it do.
It tastes like French vanilla. I do have sprinkles in here, so I'm guessing they gave me the right thing. But I don't taste the sprinkles. I see them like as I'm drinking, it comes up here, but I don't actually see the sprinkles in the drink.
I don't see it either.
I see them at the bottom. Not bad, not good. It's coffee. It just tastes like coffee with.
I see a little bit. It tastes better now.
It still tastes good.
So we're gonna share you guys some of the things we want for Christmas, and we're gonna take turns. So Mia's going first.
I want surprise Barbies, a dollhouse, and then I want stickers for my party. And then I want a party. And I want a doll star. And I want my dog sister Barbie stuff. And my LOL supplies. Barbie, cats, and dogs.
Okay. So I want gummy bears and an iPhone and an iPad and an Apple Watch and earpods.
Is that my turn again?
So you have another package of love berries, as you can see behind me, and we're gonna open it. The ice. I want to see what different flavors there are. This is a part of the Holly Jolly Dip Christmas Strawberries collection. This is my first favorite. This is my second favorite, and this is my third favorite.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
I'm gonna try the white one first.
Hmm.
What?
Everybody tried the chili?
Yeah.
Mila?
Yeah.
It's good? The cornbread?
Yeah.
It's good? Keytrell?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
Wow! Mommy's kissing Santa Claus!
DJ CHCOLATE.
I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. He didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peep. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath the bed so snowy white. Oh, what would happen if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night.